Hello. Today I'm going to do a demonstration about a product that I've been using for a long time. I'm not even getting paid for it. This is Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and I love this. And this is the peppermint flavor or scent. This is the one that I usually use. This stuff is so pure you can even brush your teeth with it. And you can wash your fruits and veggies with it. The bottle has all the instructions of all the things that you can do with it. So today I want to demonstrate one of the things that I use it for all the time, which is making foaming hand soap. So, and the directions are right on here. So you use 1/3 of your container with the foaming hand soap. About 1/3. Don't want to fill it up too much. Trust me, I learned the hard way. Okay. I may have done the proportions a little bit off. So, okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now, I like to add essential oils to my foaming hand soap. And so I'm going to be adding tea tree and lavender today. So tea tree is a germ killer. It has astringent, oh no, I brought the wrong oil. I meant to bring frankincense oil. I'm not gonna add the tea tree oil because it's kind of old, but I am going to be adding lavender oil, which is not old. I'm gonna be adding 20 drops. So lavender oil is actually has calming and antiseptic properties. So it is cleansing and naturally. So I love my foaming hand soap, and it's a money saver. It's good for the environment. You're not using plastic containers. You can reuse the same dispenser over and over again. I bought this one on Amazon. The essential oils are just an added bonus if you want to add them. And look at this beautiful, beautiful foaming hand soap. So this is one of the ways that I started using more natural, healthier products in my life, and I hope that it taught you something today and you find it helpful and can make the switch in your life too. That's it.